Welcome to Kangan Institute. We're a Victorian government TAFE, which means you'll be studying internationally recognised courses at state-of-the-art facilities. Our courses are developed with industry, and many of them offer pathways into Australia's leading universities. Melbourne is a vibrant, multicultural city. It is a great place to live and study. All of our 6 campuses are easily accessed by public transport. You can easily get around by train, bus, or, like a true Melburnian, by tram. As an international student studying at Kangan Institute, you'll feel right at home. There are modern lounges and social areas with free Wi-Fi and everything you would expect from a world-class campus. You'll get a chance to make friends with fellow students in class and on campus. We will also help you to settle comfortably and safely into life in Melbourne with our experienced and dedicated international staff.
We have an awesome team of teachers who are highly qualified and experienced, and they're very dedicated in bringing a great lesson to students every day.
Kangan Institute is innovative and fantastic to come to. The teaching staff take the students on a journey. So that's one. We take students from being basically knowing nothing about the fashion industry to being absolutely prepared for industry or for university.
My classes are challenging, but they're also very fun. We try and get the best out of students. We try and make them think for themselves and try and bring some of their culture into their work.
I love personally seeing the progress that the students make throughout their time here. Maybe they'll come here with a bit of low level, being able to only, say the basic things, but after a few months here, they feel so comfortable and able to just have a great conversation with their fellow students and the teachers. And for me, that's really, it validates what I do here.
Hi, my name is Matthew Ellis. I'm the team leader for the International Department at Kangan Automotive at the ACE Centre. What I enjoy most about Kangan is meeting new students and new people. It's the facility. It's a fantastic facility to train in.
We're in the hub of fashion. We're probably the best located fashion institute going. And everything is, all fabric shops are walking distance. That's a great place to be when you're a busy student.
Looking forward to seeing you at Kangan Institute.
My name is Margie Contreras. I am studying at Kangan Institute. My name is Liliana Contreras. I'm studying English in Kangan, and we are from Colombia.
First thing about it is I always kept interested in what you're doing. Like I have a passion for cars, so it's always something new to learn.
Kangan Institute is the best place to study English and to improve your English skills because in Kangan Institute we have the teacher in Melbourne, I think.
Melbourne is a very multicultural city with different people from all over the world. That makes Melbourne have a wide range of food for people to choose. That's one of my favorite points of Melbourne.
Oh yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I recommend it to my friends who have a passion for cars because eventually what you're doing is a great place to learn.
The new students enjoy the new opportunities in Melbourne. The things they offer the institute is very good. Enjoy.
I think the teachers here are very good and they provide a lot of information which we need.
as a student, we can feel free to ask them for anything.
So be prepared for the challenge, be prepared to be competitive, and be prepared to have fun.
Start your journey today. Kangan Institute. Real education, real skills, real jobs. Come and join us. Make Kangan Institute your first choice.